Before going to the video, I would like to share that all the updates related to videos and any job opportunities you can find under my channel posts. So if you scroll down, you can see all the jobs that I have listed across my contacts, and you can do your predictions over here, and you can participate in the polls that I conduct regularly. Before going to video, I want to share that I am available in TopMate now. So if you want some Pega career guidance, or if you want some Pega mock interviews, or if you want some information on interview questions, whatever it is, you can reach me personally in this TopMate. You can book a video meeting with me so that I can have one-to-one chat with you guys. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So let's get have a look on Pega Infinity 25. So this has been released just few days back. Yeah, so for this video purpose, I have compared with Pega 24.2 in different studios that we have. So first I have compared is Admin Studio. If you go to Admin Studio, under resources, you can see a new tab over here. This is events. So what about these events and bundles? We will go through in any other video. And this is only change I have seen in Admin Studio. Now if I switch back to Dev Studio, here I've seen a lot of changes. So firstly, in user interface, we got something new called as dynamic text, and we got views over here. And not only that, if you go to configure user interface, here you can see notification channel. This is a new addition, and this event management is also a new addition. And under decisions, if you go to monitoring, here we used to have as business directory. Now they have renamed to real-time data grid. This is one of the change. And if you scroll down a bit, under technical, we used to have one rule, component map rule. Now they have removed this component map rule. And if you scroll a bit up, under sysadmin, we used to have only Google BigQuery. Now they have given instances for Google Bigtable and Hadoop, these two. And if you go ahead, under security, we got new more additions like external secret store and identity federation. These two are the new rule types they have introduced in 25. And apart from it, if you go to application definition, here if you scroll down, you have localization configuration. This is feature is also there from 25. And if you go to App Studio, which is the next one, so under App Studio, yeah, if you go to settings, under settings we used to have brands and themes. Now they have replaced this with themes, and I can see traditional UI in Constellation and data masking. These two are the new additions. And if you select themes, you can see like they have introduced 6 more new themes. If you click this, you can see how our application looks like if we apply this theme. And these themes, right, like you can do some settings change, and if you want to make corners with the large default, and what are the white space things and colors tab, you have app background, and many options that are available for each themes which are already there. But these are like new 6 themes available under our package. And explore data, so here if the insights look and feel is a bit changed under explore data, and they have introduced something called as functions. If I go to edit, Yeah, so here you can see they have added some diff functions. So these functions and all you can add, and these functions can be used in our filters as well, in these filters. So these are the some changes they have added in insights tab, apart from look and feel. This addition of these calculations is very useful, and now insights can be shared between multiple access groups as well. And as I have shown under application definition, local configuration is there. And coming to Constellation, which is like everyone is more interested about, as I have said, six new themes are added, and under case management for from Dev Studio, we can go for archival. So this option is available, and normally we have a UX tab, right? Under case types, if we go, so you can see the icons are bit changed now. Here these forms, these icons are changed a bit. Previously it used to be like a heading only. Now they have added some icons to it. And now under the our case type you can add, previously we used to have an addition of GenAI. Now you can add agents as well under case type. And if you go for history, you have a refresh option separately. Let's go for case. So if you go to history, under actions, see refresh option is there. This is a new edition in 25 version. And field group and embedded views can have dynamic headings now. And I have said dynamic text. We will talk about this dynamic text in another video. So this actually replaces a paragraph rule. So based on the when rules, we can configure in dynamic text, and we can use same dynamic text for one paragraph rule, and you can give some alternative text based on the conditions. And for single and multiple select values, we can have display as a card option. And as this already I have covered, and in flows, we can have a new automation called as GenAI Connect and Agent. And a tracer for agents option is also one of the useful option they have introduced. As I have said, AI agent for tracing. So this particular bundle PV enable tracer for agent should be true for your access. And you might be amused, like in App Studio, you did not see some of the latest apps like tools and autopilot like those. So I did not enable few toggles. So there are list of some toggles that needs to be enabled. So the list is like Pega C11 and localization V3, chart your data V2, enable custom component V2, enable data configurator, enable experimental insight features, enable GenAI application tests, enable GenAI chart widget in Explore data, enable generative AI, enable identity federation. This is already on, that's why we can see that rule. And these also are already on secret store mapping, that's why we can see under that security tab. And enable workspace, these are all very important toggles that you need to switch on if you want to experience the new GenAI things. So if you go to system releases toggles, and you will go to this toggle management, here you search with enable. So you can see a list of things. So example, now I want to enable Pega generative AI. Just here if I go, and if I go for enable toggle for all, you can submit. So this toggle is on, then you can see that particular change. Example Pega Gen AI tests, enable toggle for all, submit. This is on. This is on data configurator. Let's on this as well. So these are all the list of toggles we have to switch it on, and once you switch on, and you can see the changes over App Studio. And before going to the next part, like I have to share one of the interesting thing in GenAI they got up. So in GenAI, they introduced two more connect tools. One is Connect Agent to connect to external AI agents, and there is another thing called Connect MCP. So MCP is like a secured way of connecting AI application to external source for data exchange. So this is very useful for us. So in an agent, you can add another agent as well, and agents you can create from App Studio and Dev Studio. So these are related to some of the like Constellation and insights and explore data differences or the new configurations that they have introduced in Pega Infinity 25. And apart from it, if you want to learn more things about Pega Infinity 25, so I will be pasting this link. So just if you go here, you can see Pega Infinity 25 update, what's new in legacy transformation, what's new in customer decision hub, what's new in rapid go lives, what's new in customer service, what's new in sales automation. These are all the videos, and I would be making more videos in the second part, so we all can be updated with the features that Pega has brought up. And one more new feature they have introduced as Pega GenAI 25 is this intelligent document processing with Doc Agent. So it's not like a freeway tool, so we have to do some R&D on this. But basically, what is their idea is, suppose example, they were going to attach this driving license attachment, and once it has been scanned, and form will be there with auto fill of all the values that are read from this particular image. So these are really very good, I felt, and they have optimized an AI experience with agent and tool rules. I would be posting this link also in the video description, and you can go through the video also that they have mentioned. Low code agents creation app studio. They have to enhance case processing with agent step, AI designer background experience, AI designer landing page in app studio for GenAI connect tools management and testing. Regarding GenAI, there are many changes, and Pega Autopilot is also on full force to help us and to make our work very easy. As part of this video, I will be stopping over here. In the second part, I will give more insights what I will learn in the next couple of days. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you have liked the content. Please feel free to subscribe to this channel and check community tab for regular updates and click on bell notifications.